Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what we believe is the best home chin-up bar available on the market, the Sportneer pull-up bar. Whether you're setting up a home gym or just want an easy way to stay fit indoors, this bar promises to deliver strength training, convenience, and safety all in one package. Right from the start, the Sportneer pull-up bar stands out with its no-screw, no-drilling installation design. This means you can set it up quickly and securely without damaging your door frame or walls. It's adjustable to fit door frames between 29.5 and 37 inches wide, making it versatile for most standard doorways. But remember, your door frame needs to be solid, such as tempered or solid wooden doors, to ensure safety and stability. Constructed from durable iron with thickened steel pipes, this pull-up bar supports up to 440 pounds, which covers a wide range of users, from beginners to more advanced athletes. The bar features a unique locking mechanism with a 360-degree rotatable dual-gear lock on both ends, preventing it from loosening during use and enhancing safety during your workouts. Sportneer didn't just focus on strength, they also thought about comfort. The pull-up bar has an integrated anti-slip cotton handlebar that's sweat-resistant and odorless, allowing you to maintain a firm grip even during intense sessions. Unlike typical two-section foam bars, this one has a long, seamless handle for a comfortable and flexible grip. Installation is straightforward thanks to detailed instructions, an easy-to-follow video guide, and helpful features like bubble spirit levels on both ends to ensure the bar is perfectly horizontal. The bar also uses large PVC mats to increase friction and prevent slipping or damage to your door frame. 4 metal fixed points connect the base and the bar, further enhancing its stability and making it fall-proof even under heavy loads. Beyond pull-ups and chin-ups, this bar is versatile enough to support a variety of exercises, including push-ups, sit-ups, and stretching routines. This multi-functionality makes it a great all-in-one tool for upper body workouts at home. In summary, the Sportneer pull-up bar combines heavy-duty construction, smart design features, and ease of installation. It's a reliable, sturdy, and user-friendly option for anyone looking to bring strength training into their home without hassle or damage. If you have a suitable door frame and want a durable, adjustable chin-up bar, this might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next video.